So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to need to have our ground plane. So if you're testing on a webcam, which I would probably suggest you do that first, just so you don't spend the time building out to a Android device or an iOS device and wasting that time. Because if it doesn't work, then you have to build it out again. But if you use a webcam, then you can. The only problem is with Vuforia, you're not able to track the ground with the webcam because the camera just isn't as advanced. So what Vuforia does is it allows you to have an emulator of a ground plane. And so this emulator allows you to create a mock ground plane with your webcam to test your stuff. And so one of the things that you can do is use this ground plane PDF, have it on your screen, and then point your webcam to that. And so that is exactly what we're going to do for this. And so I have another screen that I have set up, or you could print it out. I don't have a printer, so I won't be able to test it out with the printer, but you could have it set up. And then when you go back to Unity, you have all of your stuff set up. You go to Vuforia. And so when we go to our AR camera, you make sure that the world center is on device. And then you go to open Vuforia configuration. You go down. I have webcam selected. And then I have my webcam that I have selected right there. I'll go to File, Save, and I'll also save the project. And then it's time to actually test this out. So as you can see, I have my webcam here, and I have my ground plane. So when the ground plane appears, you'll notice that there's that cursor that we talked about. And so when I click the cursor, I'm able to actually have the bust here. Just like that. So as you can see, things have sort of gotten really interesting with it. And so that's why we actually test out our project.